Today at Stairplan, you can see we're working on this staircase installation. It's a cut string staircase with custom turned newel posts. It's got a slender design and it's got a custom profiled continuous handrail. You can see it here, dry fitted in the workshop before the installation. This is an opening cap detail on the bottom. So the installation is in Telford. They've had the measuring service. They're currently fitting the landing balustrade upstairs with the continuous handrail. We've got a gooseneck detail on the handrail at the top of the stairs with a return. The spindles are drilled directly into the handrail and into the stair treads. And at the bottom it has this opening cap detail on the handrail. So this staircase is a cut string staircase. So you've got oak treads, oak newels and oak handrail. And then you've got white primed spindles, risers and stair strings. Return nosings, mitered riser to the string. Feel free to come and visit us. We have a showroom at the factory in Telford, or subscribe to see other staircases that we offer on the channel.